Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 4 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall applications from this watch. So let's get started. So if you want to uninstall applications, you can open the app menu by pressing the Chrome button, and then you can scroll through this menu, look for the icon of the application you want to remove and then press and hold on it. Tap on Edit Apps. And once you enter the editing menu for the app menu, some of the applications, as you can see, have this minus icon on them. That means you can remove them from your watch. As you can see, there's not many. But to remove the application, you can simply tap on this app, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the app will be removed. And then you can press the Chrome button to go back to normal mode. And basically that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.